higher capacity. I mean, that's the whole thing. I mean, you know that, right? That the DMV is. Excuse me.
Ed 11, can you copy of me? You have registration on you?
I don't register my vehicles. It's in a trust account, man. It's a private trust.
Ida, or you can try it as a 1. Or you can add in cold, 4, 5, X-ray, 8, 1, Frank, 2, 5, 3. So you said your name's on this piece of paper, sir?
Yes, sir.
Where's it at?
It's right there, the top line, far left or right. I'm sorry.
you doing?
How's it going, man?
Hey, I'm Officer Jamaica. What's your name?
It's Lawrence.
Lawrence?
Yeah,
Hey, Lawrence.
you guys got a supervisor or something? Because I'm really am trying to get home right now.
Trying to get home
yeah,
right
and
now?
I don't want to be detained, man.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
Am I being detained right now?
Currently, yes.
For what crime?
We're just doing an investigation right now. We're trying to
Of
figure
what
out.
crime?
You don't have a back license plate.
That's not a crime, though.
It's against the California Vehicle Code.
Yeah, that's a vehicle code. That's not a crime.
Are
So-
you operating the motor vehicle?
Okay, well, I'm done answering questions, sir.
Okay.
I just asked you for a supervisor.
I'm not trying to be a jerk or anything, man. I'm fairly new. I'm just trying to figure out what this form is right here.
I'm a protected party is what that form is, and I'd like to be on my way.
You'd like to go on your way?
Yes, sir.
The quickest way to go on your way is to be helpful with us, man. We're not trying to be mean or anything.
Well, I'm not either. I'm being totally
I'm just
cordial,
asking
totally
questions.
polite, right?
Yeah, you are.
Okay,
You are.
and that's I'm respectful, but the thing is that I am a protected party, and you can't detain me if I haven't committed a crime. I haven't committed a crime. Traveling is not a crime, so I'm asking for a supervisor. I'm sure a supervisor would know what that form was.
Yeah, I think we got one in route for you.
Okay, because my name's on there already. That's who I am, and I'm just kind of trying to get home, man.
Where's your name on this?
It's on the top right.
Very top.
Yeah, right
Lawrence
there.
Edwards.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, man, you gotta understand. We don't know who's in the car when we pull them over. It's just we gotta check.
Well, that's why I'm a private person. That's why I'm a protected party, because who are you? You haven't
exactly.
revealed who you were, where you live, and you know what I mean. So, I'm just trying to go out about my day without being harassed and detained illegally. So I just would like just to get my stuff and go. That's all.
Okay. Well, we're just doing our part, man. We're
Well,
not.
All
We're gonna
right.
try to get
Well,
you
I
on
hope
the
it
way as
doesn't
we
break
can.
no past 15 minutes, because it's gonna be pretty expensive, man.
Have you ever been arrested before?
I'm not answering those
You're not answering
questions.
questions?
I've answered questions. That one I'm just not comfortable with answering.
Okay.
I'm
just
haven't you
curious
ran
to
my
see
name
why,
yet?
Why, if you would have
I
any
gave
negative,
you why I got a what?
why you would have any type of negative connotation towards the police? I'm just trying to figure out.
I don't, sir. I mean, you guys got a very tough job, man. You deal with dicks all the time. I'm a totally polite person.
Yeah, you are.
You know what I mean? And I'm not trying to give you guys a hard time. It's the lack of training usually, and that light in my eyes kind of appreciate that. I don't know, but it's not your fault. It's not my fault, man. You guys don't know, then you can take that form with you if you like. You guys can talk about it, do whatever you're gonna do with it. But if I'm not being detained, I would like to go, and I haven't committed a crime, so I would just kind of like to be on my way.
Listen, dude.
Yeah.
This is the deal.
Yeah.
All right. So, your vehicle's suspended. It's been suspended since October of 2019, so technically we could tow it. All right. Just hear me out.
All right, I'll hear you out.
All right. So
Okay.
right now, I just want you to take care of that. I want you to start driving with a license plate. All right. So I'm telling you all these things because this is my beat. If I pull you over again, I will cite you or I will tow you. You understand that? And fix your headlight. Okay. And I suggest that next time you get contacted by an officer, just be a little bit more forthright. Try to be cool with us.
I've been cool, man. I have been cool. I don't think I've been disrespectful in any way. I gave you what I'm required to give you. I'm a protected party, and if you guys don't understand what a trust is, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not going to register this vehicle. It doesn't have to be registered.
So are you like a constitutionalist? Is that your jam?
No, it's not a constitutionalist. That's not it. No. Aren't you guys a
I've had a handful of
constitutionalist?
encounters. Well, yeah, I mean, there's a constitution,
Yeah.
and there's a bunch of maritime law. There are a lot of guys like to
Admiralty
follow.
law. Yeah.
There's a
Well, that's what you guys are
pre-constitution,
pushing, right?
And then there are differences between the federal
There's-
constitution and the state constitution.
Yes, there
I'm
are.
very
That's
familiar with
what's
all the stuff
that's
we're talking about.
that's what's really weird about you guys taking your oath and then having those two different things, because they contradict each other. It is a crazy thing.
They don't
Yeah.
necessarily contradict each other. What people like to do, I'm not accusing you of this,
Yeah.
but what's common
What?
is people like to pick and choose what parts of the Constitution that they're going to pick that hill to die on, so to speak.
Right. Yeah.
And they pick it based on what benefits them the most. They want to say what they don't, because they don't want to pay taxes,
Well,
and they don't want to pay
yeah.
registration or have insurance.
But
And so they say, no, the Constitution says, and that's kind of BS.
why is that though? Why do you? I mean, like, why do you feel like that's BS?
Well,
So do you,
for example, with the California Vehicle Code,
Yeah.
you're talking about how you're not required to have registration
Correct.
or insurance or anything else.
Correct.
Here's the deal. Did you build this road?
Well, I paid for it.
Did you build it?
I paid for it.
Did everybody pay for it?
Taxpayers pay for it.
Right.
Yeah.
Taxpayer paid for it, and part of the law is the taxpayers collectively have an agreement on things you're going to do if you're driving on it.
Well,
For example, you can't drive on the wrong side of the road because it's
that's
dangerous.
correct. That's correct.
can't
You
do
gotta have
all
common
those things.
sense. Yes.
Those are all things that are part of it.
Right.
Now, who maintains the road?
Well, that's you.
I don't maintain anything.
Well,
Taxes go towards it, and collectively.
yeah. I mean, you guys do maintain it. You guys protect it. You guys, you know what I mean. You make it safer. I don't. I mean, all I do is pay for it. I pay for the roads, and they get upkept by you guys. You know. That's as far as I've been told anyway. Yeah.
I get what you're getting at.
Yeah.
But I think what people tend to do is they pick and choose what they want to believe in.
Well,
the Constitution is fair and what's not fair.
So
And
what?
people want the protections that are afforded to them when it benefits them, but then when it doesn't benefit them, now they don't want to prescribe to it anymore. It's not really fair. Now,
Well,
my partner over here is.
if I could, like, why do you think it's fair to have to register a vehicle you own in order to travel in it? Why? I mean, like, why do I have to pay the government for a sticker, or they'll take the automobile? I mean, why do you think that is right? You think that's fair?
I think. the
Like,
principles-
honestly,
well,
do you think that is fair?
You gotta let me answer.
Right.
Well, don't interrupt
Go
me
ahead.
then. Okay, so I believe that the principles and the theory behind registration and all that kind of stuff has merit, because there are things that have to be taken care of
Yeah.
that each individually person is not going to do. Joe and Sally aren't going to go fill potholes.
Right.
And the money that comes from registration is what fixes the roads. It's what fixes a lot of things. And so that's where it comes from. Do I feel like we paid more than is fair? I do. And that's why, in all honesty, that you're not getting cited with a big fat ticket for all the stuff that you've done and getting your car towed.
Okay.
That's the reason why not. But if you continue to roll around and never heed the warnings, and we cite you again or we stop you, man, you've been told 5 times, then it is
Alright.
what it is.
Okay.
We try to be laid back and do the right thing.
I hear you, man. So I mean, I don't want to discuss that anymore because you guys get upset, but I appreciate
It's a
it.
friendly debate. My voice is not high.
Well, it's not.
Anything else.
Yeah. Well, it's not. Okay. So, well, if it's a cordial conversation, it's not really a debate because you're giving me a demand that I don't have to follow. You know, it's in the public record. I've given notice. I've done my part. It's done through everybody.
Let me
I
ask
mean,
you this.
everybody's been given
you
notice.
understand the warning that my partner gave you?
I heard it. Yes.
So if we see you rolling around again and you don't pay any of your fees and you don't have a license and your car's expired 2 years, you're going to get it towed and you're going to get cited, right? As long as you
All right.
understand that, then it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Cool. All right, man.
All right.
Hold on 1 second.
Hang tight.
Yep. Did you guys want to keep that paper?
Yeah, they're going to hold on to it.
Okay.
I want to take a look at it, too. I'm
Yeah.
on, like, one of my first couple of weeks here, so I'm still trying to...
Yeah, I mean, there's a... I don't know why they don't... It should, when you guys ran my name, it should have came up, but if you look at the... These are all, Secretary of State of California already approved me to be secured. I mean, and what I put in the public notice is after 15 minutes, man, it's a hefty fine for you guys. And there's some people that you want to listen. There's others that don't. But it is what it is. I mean, you see, I file it in the public record. I give you guys notice. You guys have had notice for over a month now, so it's defaulted. I haven't heard back from anybody disputing anything I've given you guys. And there's just legal demands and all this stuff. But look into it, man.
All right, Lawrence.
All right, man.
Take off.
Hey, thanks, dude.